You enter the unit carrying your belongings. The first question from the cell, what are you in for? A wrong answer can end everything. You tell the truth, the cell goes quiet, someone smiles, that's a bad sign. Level 1, the new guy. You place your things on an empty bunk. That bed is taken. You didn't know. Now your reaction matters. Talk back. You get crushed. Apologize too fast. Same result. You calmly move your things. Test passed. They offer you tea. Then say, you owe cigarettes. It's a trap. You hand the tea back. I don't smoke. Some laugh. Some respect it. Level 2, normal inmate. They ask you to clean the floor. Not an order. They're watching if you accept quietly. You help without humiliation. You're not a servant. You're just surviving. People start saying, he's all right. Level 3, the associate. Older inmates sit next to you. Stick with us. Protection always comes with obligations. A conflict breaks out. Your group is involved. Everyone watches you. You stand behind them. You don't fight. You don't walk away. You're noticed. Level 4, the enforcer. They ask you to pass a note. You know it will lead to violence. Refusing means weakness. Agreeing means involvement. The fight happens. Someone is taken out. You're officially part of it now. You're no longer an observer. There's no going back. Level 5, the respected. 2 inmates argue over space. They both look at you. You suggest a calm compromise. No shouting, no threats. It works. After that, people come to you more often. Your words carry weight. Level 6, the shot caller. When something goes wrong, they come to you. A newcomer's belongings disappear. He's scared. He asks for help. The thief is one of your own. Expose him. You lose loyalty. Cover him. You lose order. You force him to return everything and apologize publicly. No violence. Everyone understands the message. Level 7, admin pressure. Officers call you in. You have too much influence. Cooperate or isolation. You choose silence, concrete walls, bright lights, endless time. While you're gone, your influence disappears. Level 8, return. You return. Everything feels different. New faces, new alliances. Your name is history. Years later, the gates open. You walk out. The world is faster. You are slower. Prison isn't just walls. It's a system of tests. Every rank is a choice. Every choice has a cost. The system keeps going. And you were just another inmate who passed through it.